Hello everyone! Welcome to Filipina Experience. Can you please must subscribe, must like, bash notification bell, and stash your comment below.
1961 Thunderbird.
Color milk.
The color of milk, my wife says.
Yeah, you like milk.
61, all original. Everything is original.
Eagle?
Yes, a Thunderbird. This car is a Thunderbird. Everything in it is original. The steering wheel slides to the right and the left, up and telescopic. Very fancy for 1961. Caps. Very impressive. This is a Mercury Monterey. What a yeah, that T-Bird. I love the T-Bird the best. But this Mercury Monterey was definitely the Lincoln of the era because it rode so smooth.
Oh, that's nice.
55.
Look like that.
55 Mercury.
Bird.
Mercury. Probably weighs 7,000 pounds, I wouldn't doubt. That's why they rode so good. It's not perfect or anything, but it is a beauty. Paint's not perfect, interior's not perfect, but it is nice. I would be happy to have it.
12 o'clock, that's why my tummy is hurting.
It's 12 o'clock, that's why your tummy is hurt? Is ready for some food?
I wonder why my tummy is starving. When I look at my time, it's 12 o'clock already.
It was a 69, I think it was, Plymouth.
This car, this is my dream car ever.
It's your dream car because convertible?
Yeah, I like
She really likes the white interior, the white and the convertible. Oh yes, closed all by itself. They're very nice. Fancy. It's a real beauty.
when you drive, like you feel the fresh air.
Plymouth Satellite. You feel the fresh air, do you?
Yeah.
And the engine is very, very clean. I'm guessing it's a 383. Don't know. Doesn't say, I don't think. Looks like a 383. Could be a 360. Doesn't say what's in it. Extremely perfect and clean.
I don't like the very much the color, but I like the style.
Yes. It's a 2002 Mustang convertible. Looks like it's a lot newer than that. But it's in like perfect condition.
Oh, sorry.
It's a GT. Big old massive engine, ready to eat some Chevys. Beautiful design. The GTs are just bad to the bone. This is a 1950 Ford Custom. This is the first car my dad ever owned as a boy. I think he was 17, maybe 16 or 17 when he got his first car, and this was the first car he owned. 1950 Ford Custom. Absolutely beautiful. Look at those nice big white walls. Firestone tires. That's a beauty. 1950. Got a flathead in it. Flathead 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. 68 Mustang. Shelby GT 500 KR. with a 428 Super Cobra jet engine in it. 4-speed on the floor. It's got mirrors underneath it because it's perfect inside, out, and below and beneath. Get the body underneath, perfect. So it's just beautiful interior. Absolutely fantastic. With the Cougar-like taillights. In my opinion, probably the baddest car ever made. The baddest car ever built. Look at the stickers still on the frame. Auto light, which is for battery. Everything perfect. An original. Oh my. Look at that. Maylin is in a 68 Shelby GT500. KR, absolutely. Are you the owner?
Yes, sir.
This is the gentleman that owns this fine piece of machinery.
Thank you.
I'll drive.
You will drive? Don't run over the mirrors. Let's get the mirrors out of the way. Do you know how to shift the 4-speed, dear? That has gears. You have to shift like motorcycle. All right, you can get out. What, honey? Yeah, okay, let me do it in pictures also.
Hello guys, I'm tired
You're tired?
because it's lunchtime and 2 o'clock already.
Yeah.
It's my fault. It's all my fault.
It's your fault, dear.
Because we should direct to eat, but I forgot my phone.
At the car show.
Yeah, at the car show and come back over there again. So
So we
tired.
have to go back to the car show when she realizes no phone. But thank God I remembered the announcer saying someone has lost a cell phone and we have it here at the booth. I didn't think of anything about that until we get across town and you tell me you don't have your cell phone.
Yeah.
And I say, oh, the announcer was talking about my wife.
Then, I said, oh, there is Jesus on my back phone.
On her pop socket.
Yeah, there is Jesus on
Pop
it.
socket.
Yeah.
It says Jesus. She
So-
thinks that, and it's probably right, is a good reason that people said, oh, we better return this.
This is Christian. Okay, well, and now we're going to eat Mexican foods. Very, very hungry. I'm thirsty.
Yeah.
And I am thirsty of pops. I'm thirsty of water.
We shall have pop.
I'm
water,
thirsty
and
of-
chips
I'm thirsty of food. Oh
and
no.
Mexican cuisine.
Yeah. And then we have free pencil.
Yeah, they gave us free pencils for voting
Yeah.
on the ballot for the nice cars. at the
Yeah. Oh, pencil. Very cute. Educational providers. The Rebel. Oh no.
The Rebel Run.
The Rebel Run Educational Providers, Lima, Ohio. Woo, that's
Memorabilia.
yeah, our memory that it become there. Oh, that's good. Thank you very much for the pencil. Woo. Bye.
Bye now.